Hello YouTube, it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video and I thought I would just give maybe a little bit of an update as I am wanting to start on a new project, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to create some content around this and share what I'm working on. So I want to create some automated and manual backtesting software for day traders. So this is the project that I want to build, which is mostly for me. I want to build it for myself because this is something that I want and I want to use, but I know that other people in this community or the day trading community would probably find this helpful. I want to use AI to build this entire projects and see if I can actually get AI to build this whole thing, as if you are a developer, programmer, nowadays, AI is coming, and if you're not using AI in your coding, you're gonna fall behind, not be able to do as much. So I kind of want to get a little bit back into programming and up to speed and just see what AI is capable now. And I thought this would be a good opportunity. I'm gonna just share some maybe milestone or updates on YouTube of how my progress is going. Probably just focus on maybe on the programming or the AI or using AI with coding. Maybe a few other things, and then I think I'll have more detailed or more frequent updates over on X, formerly Twitter. So if you're interested, you can follow along. And just a little bit about the project and why I'm doing it. So I have been day trading for quite some time, and I wanted to really improve my edge and kind of buckle down on day trading. And this is something that I know a lot of successful day traders talk about, and I have not put as much time and effort into backtesting. And when I took a look at what's available on the market, there's a lot of backtesting software. Some of it is free, but it tends to just be back end only, and there's no front end, or it's some command line interface, or the front end is just very terrible. And there's even some projects that don't work, or they're not maintained, outdated, and it's just kind of a hassle to pick up on such projects. Plus they've gone in a different direction. I have a certain vision for this. I want it to be very good and thorough in terms of analysis and testing out ideas. So I think it's just better to start from scratch. And then there are other backtesting tools available, but they tend to be more on the manual side, whereas the free ones usually are more automated in nature, or partly automated. And of course the ones that are manual have a nice front end, and they are, well, maybe not super pricey, but of course you have to pay for them. And some have the option you can buy the software, which is quite a bit pricey. And I couldn't find anything that did exactly that what I wanted in terms of the paid option. So I think it might be best for me, get back into programming, work on this project, create something that's going to be really valuable for me and my trading, and hopefully other people will find it useful, helpful as well. And I want to do a freemium, or essentially I would just build the free part, and we'll see what kind of interest there is for the project. I don't want to think too much, because if you see any other videos on my channel, you'll see I have some entrepreneurship, business content, as well as programming. So I do have, business in the back of my mind, but I don't want that to be the focus. I just want to build something that I would love to use, and then share it. Maybe if there's enough interest, can look into making it better, or potentially doing something more with the software. I just want to build this, and I think I will make the front end open source, probably not the back end. I will see. One other thing I want to mention was I have thought about what type, because I would like this to be manual and automated backtesting software. Now I know I am thinking a little bit old or in the past with this, and really I should be thinking of creating AI backtesting software. But if I want to create something that's free and doing it with AI, I find that's a bit difficult, because when you have to use these AI or the LLMs, there's a cost involved, and I don't want to be paying for the cost of sale. And if other people came and started using the product, then I would be footing the bill, which I don't want to do. So I'm thinking I will just go old school way, and if I do create something that's good, then maybe a future version, which would be paid, would be AI back testing, or totally change the way that you do it. So if you're interested in following along on this project to see how it goes, and or how the software turns out, if you are a day trader, then definitely give me a follow on X, or write something in the YouTube comments. And yeah, until next time.